it's a representation of what gardening is. It's a never-ending process. It's just endless and like the circle, so it keeps going and transforming.
All sounds of nature give us language. All things in nature give us form as a human being. What better sound is that? Every bird knows a song, every eagle knows a song, every coyote knows a song, and you and I, we have a song right here. We are plants too. It takes us 70 to 100 years of living to become renewed, regenerated, reborn, and to be a human being on this world.